salga, no salga, no salga.
La verdad que es una sombrilla.
La sombrilla es... Oh, la Virgen bendita.
Olha aí a fazer ondas.
Today, during a storm west hit Canary Island in southwestern Spain, strong winds and a heavy rain hit Spain overnight, affected at least 5 resorts regions. By rescue site, no is expected. The storm is reaching and bringing more strong winds and a heavy rain. The hurricane also flooded rivers, damaged power lines, uprooted trees, and disrupted train links on the region, leaving more than 18,000 families without power. Thunderstorms that produced hail were triggered by a cold front approaching western Europe from the Atlantic Ocean. Hail can be a multi-billion disaster, destroying roofs and shattering glass throughout the era. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, at least 2 hailstorms caused more than 1 billion in damage in 2023. It is noteworthy that these showers hit almost the same era with an interval of 10 days. Wind, hail, and the heavy rain caused local flooding and traffic jams. 4 flights that were supposed to land were diverted. There was also a burn and bathing. The stormy weather from yesterday will continue into Wednesday and bring locally heavy thunderstorm and a heavy rainfall with a local 20 liters per square meter per hour. A local around Los Lantos and a reservoir destroyed by a landslide. On the Spanish mainland in the province of Valencia on the east coast and in the parts of Costa Blanca, a warning has been issued for tomorrow and this prepare for the heavy rain. 20 towns, halls and the region, including the Costa Blanca resorts of Terrível and Dizem, have announced that the school will be closed today due to severe weather warning.